Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about PPC bidding hacks for higher conversions. Let's get into it. Amazon PPC bidding isn't just about setting a high bid and hoping for conversions. It's about smart, strategic adjustments that maximize profitability while keeping ACOS under control. In this video, we'll walk through essential bidding hacks that can help you drive higher conversions and reduce wasted ad spend. The first thing to understand is that Amazon's traffic is not the same at all times. Conversion rates peak between 9 a.m. and 12 p.m. Pacific time on weekdays, especially Monday to Wednesday. This is when customers are most likely to make a purchase. Evenings between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. see the highest traffic, but the conversion rates tend to be lower, which can lead to higher ACOS if bids aren't adjusted properly. If you're running ads at the same bid 24/7, you may be spending more than necessary during low converting hours. By lowering bids during off-peak times and increasing them during high converting hours, you can improve your PPC efficiency. Another crucial factor is optimizing your click-through rate. Amazon rewards ads with higher CTRs by lowering the cost per click, which directly impacts ACOS. The best way to increase CTR is by testing different main images. A well-designed main image that highlights key product benefits or features can drastically improve ad performance. If you're in a competitive category like supplements, adding clear text to showcase unique selling points or ingredients can make a significant difference in click-through rates. Long-term profitability in PPC depends on increasing customer lifetime value. One effective way to do this is by leveraging subscribe and save. If your product has the potential for repeat purchases, offering a higher subscription discount, around 20%, can encourage more customers to sign up. While this might seem like a high discount initially, repeat purchases reduce the need for continuous PPC spending, making it a profitable strategy over time. Another effective strategy is purchase remarketing. Many advertisers focus only on acquiring new customers, but targeting past buyers with remarketing ads can be a more cost-effective way to generate sales. This is especially useful for consumable products where customers need to reorder regularly. Running remarketing campaigns that remind past buyers to repurchase can significantly improve conversion rates while keeping advertising costs low. If your product is in a high-ticket category, offering a lower-cost sample version can help increase conversions. Customers are more likely to commit to a full-size product if they've had a chance to try a smaller version first. This not only improves conversion rates, but also reduces negative reviews from customers who might not have liked the product after purchasing a large quantity. Applying these PPC bidding strategies can help optimize conversions while keeping costs manageable. Be sure to test different approaches to see what works best for your specific product category. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com, like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.